go!
$50,000 marchers, many of them Haitians, converged on Lower Manhattan, even shutting down the Brooklyn Bridge. Their anger is aimed at a new federal policy prohibiting Haitians from giving blood.